Natalie, I'm so happy for you. That means we can live in London. We can look for an apartment in Camden, now that we know the area so well. Do you know what you want to do here, Alice? Yes, the same as always, right. I want to write a story about the robbery. I think it would be an excellent true crime story. I'm so glad to hear you say that, because it's exactly what I have in mind. What do you mean? A few days ago, I called my good friend Thomas Richter, from the publication Raymond. Raymond? That's my favorite police crime publication. Yes, they're the best. Thomas is a very good friend of mine. Finally, I told him about the robbery, and he also thinks it will make perfect material for a novel. But we're a bit concerned. Why is that? Well, because we don't have anyone to write it. If only we knew a writer specializing in police crime novels that knew every detail of the robbery. Wait a minute, what about you? Are you serious? You want me to write a novel for the Raymond publication? That's my dream. Great, because they already have the contract ready for you to sign. Thomas will see you at 10 a.m. tomorrow in his office.
Alice, are you okay?
Friends, colleagues, I'd like to propose a toast. Firstly, I'd like to propose a toast to art. These works you'll see around you have brought me a lot of happiness over the years. Now, I sincerely hope that they bring happiness to everyone who comes to see them here at the National Gallery. I would like to thank Amelia for accepting my donation, and for opening the museum's doors to provide such a wonderful space for the collection. But, most of all, I'd like to thank 4 people without whom these 3 original Turner drawings wouldn't be here: Detective Smith, Pete, Alice and Natalie. A toast to them. Cheers!